Assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome to my class. Today I will discuss about how to make new word. So let's go start it. Right now I'm going to share with you same word you can make easily automatically in a strategic way. So basic word is river. So river. So we will add with river bed. River bed. Next word we will add basin with river. So river basin. Okay. Next word river with side. So have to make river side. New word river will make river head. Anyway, my dear learners, next word we will add with river the word bank. So the word will be river bank. Anyway, next word we will add horse. So will be river horse. Anyway, my dear learners, so no more today. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye.